Just let's get the camera ready and start cooking.
Okay, good job. What's going on, everybody? My name is Spencer.
My name is Dave.
And this is Destination Delicious. And if you have been watching our show for any amount of time, you might have noticed by now that one of us is missing. Our daughter has arrived. She has joined Griddle Nation, and we have been spending the last couple weeks just really getting to know her and loving her and cuddling with her, right? So Christy is inside, and she and Sierra are resting right now. So Kate and I decided to sneak outside so that we could make them a little snack. So today we are making apple cinnamon roll sandwiches.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Hey, that's my line. So tell me, buddy, what's your favorite thing about your new sister?
Snuggling with her, and a few days ago, I had my first time feeding her.
So Cade has been a huge help. He's an awesome big brother, and he loves his little sister. So the first thing we gotta do is get our cinnamon rolls on the griddle, and we need to get some butter.
I got the butter knife.
All right, can you cut off a hunk of that? Cut straight down. Good job. Now I need you to bring that over to the griddle. All right, make sure you cover in the middle. All right. Okay, now we need to open our cinnamon rolls. Hold on. You're just gonna bang it open on the table?
No, Gigi does that inside.
Oh, does she? Okay. All right, so peel that back. Oh, there it goes.
Holy cow, how did you know that was gonna happen?
Now I want you to rub the bottom of the spatula in the butter. Just like that. Okay, good job. Now I'm gonna bring the cinnamon rolls over. Okay, all right, that's good. Now when I put it down, you smash it, okay? All right, let me try real quick.
I think that happens.
Just like that.
That's really cool.
All right. So Kate's gonna flip the cinnamon rolls over. Good job. I've got the griddle on low, but they're still cooking pretty quick. Great job, buddy. They look like pancakes, don't they?
Yeah.
Nice work. So the cinnamon rolls moved really quickly. That went a lot faster than I thought. So we should pull those off the griddle for now. All right, nice work, dude. Those look tasty.
Time to cut some apples.
Time to cut some apples, that's right.
Get the apple.
Oh. All right. All right, we got 8 cinnamon roll buns. How many, if we use 2 buns per sandwich, how many sandwiches will we have?
4.
That's right, very good. So you can even incorporate math while you're cooking.
That's a good way to lose finger bone.
All right, so we got our apple slices.
And we got our rolls all cooked up.
Rolls are all cooked up, apples are all sliced up. Now it's time to cook our apples. One at a time. Put them in that butter. Right up, yep. Perfect, okay. And now we're gonna put some cinnamon sugar on the apples. Whoa, easy. Comes out fast. You can put more on that. You can cover the apples, just make sure you're not pouring too fast. All right, so now we got some cinnamon sugar on our apples, and we're gonna let those cook through, and then we will flip them over. So our apples have been cooking for a few minutes. You ready to flip, buddy?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh boy, look how good those apples look. So while our apples finish cooking, we're gonna put our cinnamon roll buns back on the griddle to warm them back up. All right, buddy, it's time to build our sandwiches. Ooh, we might get a little bit of rain. All right, let's hurry up. Look fantastic. Now for the best part, right, Bubba?
Yep.
What's the best part?
Icing.
Icing, that's right. Now that we got the icing on there, we're gonna do a little post dust of cinnamon sugar on top. Look at those.
Yum.
We've got our apple cinnamon roll sandwiches ready to eat. We've got Christy and Sierra has joined us. Everybody, meet Sierra.
Oh, she's waking up.
Well, they look amazing.
What did we make for Mommy?
Cinnamon roll apple cinnamon sandwiches.
I'm so excited to try that. Do you think I can still claim my sweet cravings on the baby?
I mean, I'm
asking for a friend.
I'm not going to argue with you.
Because I'm all about the sweets. This
All right.
looks so good.
Which one are you grabbing, buddy?
That one.
That one? Okay, Daddy's going to get the big one.
So good.
No way.
All right.
They kind of look like pancakes, but it is definitely cinnamon rolls.
Wow.
Mmm.
You think you can make some more of these?
Yes, for sure.
This is so good.
Those apples on the griddle turned out so good. I just cooked big slices of them,
Okay.
put a little cinnamon sugar on them, and slow roasted them on the griddle, and
So delicious.
they're amazing.
Oh my gosh, the flavors are so good, and you know I love the texture, so the crisp crunch of that cinnamon roll. What'd you do, just like smash burger style them?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Smash burger to
Awesome,
cinnamon
guys.
roll, and it turned out great.
Did you have fun?
Thanks for
thank
cooking with
you.
me, dude. We hope Mommy and Sierra enjoy their snack.
Yeah, I'm so
Sierra-
she'll enjoy in a few hours.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you joining Cade and I on this cook, and of course, Christy and Sierra will be joining us in future cooks for sure. We've got our year cook coming up. So
Yes,
that one
we
should be
can't
fun.
wait.
Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Make sure you click that bell and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the cooks from
Nate, CJ, Todd, Betty, Bruce, and us. Or
All-
Cade and Spencer.
all the awesome cooks on the channel. And until next time, guys, we are Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.
You guys nailed this. Wow.